This here is Laykin. She is a female German Shepherd. She was just spayed, so you can see her belly. She looks previously like she's probably had a litter of pups or two. She's really, really sweet. She's approximately 4 to 5 years old. Come here, Laykin. She's a big girl. Come here, Laykin. She is a purebred German Shepherd. She's got a little bit of bicolor on her feet. Come here, honey. Come. Come here. Good girl. Very sweet girl. She reminds me of my girl, Keisha. So we are cat testing her here. And she has been wonderful with Mickey. We are really excited about this because we do not get very many purebreds in that are cat friendly very often. So this is good news for her. We've got a waiting list of people who are looking for cat friendlies, and so we will be sending out some emails with pictures and videos of this beautiful girl. She is super sweet. She's much calmer. She's a calm girl. So that's a real plus. She's got some white on her chest, and because a little bit of tan on her feet, some people thought she was a mix, but based off what I can see on the head structure and the body and what we've all come to an agreement here, she's a purebred. There is just no question about it. Very sweet girl. Hi, honey. Hi, beautiful. Good girl. Get his door. Get his door. He's feeling a little uncomfortable there. But she handled it well. She took it well. She took the sign of, hey, dude, lady, back off. So we're giving her a few minutes to relax. We're only got about 1.5 minutes of video here, almost 2 minutes. But we want to, I mean, she's been with the kitty for a few minutes before that, but we want to give her a little more time to chill out. But we're excited because this means a lot for her. It means it's going to be somebody's going to want this girl. Hi, beautiful. Want to try to get Mickey out again? Hi, honey. Good girl. What'd you think about that?
Doesn't want to stay out, but I mean, she's not doing anything else other than
when he went to bop her.
Because you bopped me and said you ain't gonna bop me again.
Well, all we can do is do a second cat test later on. And she's new. She just came in last week.
You're videotaping me, not the dog.
Sorry.
The dog's a lot cuter than I am.
Well, she left him though. She walked over here. She went and laid herself down, and Laykin. Hi. Good girl. Good girl. Let's take Mickey out again.
Can I let this dog go?
No.